This is how to have students make a
Flutter.
copy of a Google Doc. I'm going to make a document of a table. I'm going to go Insert, Table, and I'm going to choose how many rows and columns it has. And then you can type stuff in here. Okay, so I'm done with my document. Now I'm going to go over to the Share button and get a shareable link and copy the link. Okay, now I'm going to go to Seesaw and I'm going to add and assign an activity. I'm going to do a new one. I'm going to call it Table or whatever you want to call it. And then I'm going to say click on the link. I'm going to paste the link in there. Now, here is the important part. You erase all this stuff up to the word edit. So I'm going to just erase the word edit and then type the word copy. Okay, and that's it. And then you save it. You assign it to the people you want in your class. Okay, now when I go back to my class and try it, all I have to do is click on this link. All the students have to do, they don't even have to click on add a response. They just click right on this link. And it forces them to make a copy, so they click on make a copy. And then that will make a copy in their Google Drive. So then they can go in, fill it out, put their name on it, whatever, and then they can share it back to you. Hope this works.